So most people solve this question like 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 5. Divide 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20. So now minus 5 divided by 20 is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Okay, but this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question we have one subtraction, one division and one multiplication. First we have to solve multiplication and division, then we have to solve subtraction. But multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this division. So is equal to 5 minus, now 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2 multiply 4. Now here is one subtraction and here is one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay. So 5 minus, now 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. Now 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. Okay. So the correct answer is minus 3.